Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Samsung Tab Active 3 and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list, for example through the dialer. Then let's find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. So let me pick maybe this one and tap on edit, so this pencil icon. Now we have to tap on, I believe here we've got the plus icon or something like that. Let me quickly remove the photo. So as you can see, this is what you will see after entering the contact without the profile picture. You've got three different options from which we can choose. So the stickers, the camera. After picking this option, your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her. Or you can choose the photo from the gallery, and I will pick this option. So let me tap on it, let me tap on the photo, and right here in this section we can zoom in or out the photo. We can also change the position of this highlighted circle, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this area is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to and then tap on done if you're ready. And as you can see, the photo has been immediately applied, but we have to remember to tap on save. And as you can see, the photo has been replaced. Of course, replaced in my case. In your case, it will be simply applied. You can see it on your contact list also, but also, for example, from during all incoming calls from that number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.